Everyone online is talking about side hustles, easy money, passive income. But what if most of it is just noise? So I decided to test it myself. 5 different side hustles, real time, real effort, real results. And what I found, honestly surprised me. For the past few weeks, I've been experimenting with different ways people claim you can make money online. No shortcuts, no fake screenshots, just real attempts and honest outcomes. Some of these looked promising, some completely failed, and one of them actually worked. Here's how I approached this experiment. I picked 5 popular side hustles, the kind you see all over YouTube and social media. And instead of just talking about them, I actually tried them. I gave each one proper time, real effort, and tracked what happened. Not just money, but time, difficulty, and results. The first one I tried was content creation. The idea is simple. Create videos, posts, or blogs, and earn through views, ads, or audience growth. Sounds easy, right? Well, not exactly. At the beginning, nothing really happened. Low views, no engagement, and honestly, it felt like I was just posting into the void. It takes consistency, patience, and a lot more effort than people make it seem. So after testing this for a while, did it make money? Not really, at least not yet. But I did start to see something interesting. Potential. The second side hustle I tested was freelancing. This one is everywhere. People offering services online and getting paid per project. Writing, design, editing. Whatever skill you have, you can sell it. Or at least, that's what everyone says. So I created a profile, listed a few services, and waited. At first, nothing. Then slowly, a few small opportunities started showing up. Low-paying, simple tasks, but still real clients. But here's the catch. The competition is insane. Hundreds of people offering the same thing, often for lower prices. So getting noticed is the real challenge. Did it make money? Yes, a little. But when I looked at the time I spent, it wasn't exactly impressive. The third one I tried was selling digital products. Things like simple guides, templates, or downloadable content. The idea is powerful. Create once and sell multiple times. So I created a basic product, listed it online, and waited to see what would happen. So I listed my digital product, set a simple price, and waited. Day 1, nothing. Day 2, still nothing. But then, something changed. A few sales started coming in. Not huge, but real. And that's when I realized something important. This isn't about instant results. It's about building something once that can keep working in the background. The effort is up front, but the reward builds over time. Did it make money? Yes, but slowly. This one felt less like a quick hustle and more like a long-term play. The fourth side hustle I tested was short-form content. Fast videos, quick edits, designed to grab attention instantly. This one moves fast and rewards consistency. I started posting regularly, testing different styles, topics, and formats. And then, one video started picking up. More views, more engagement, and suddenly, momentum. That one video kept growing. Views kept increasing. Engagement started picking up. And for the first time, it actually felt like something was working. Not just effort, but real traction. But here's the reality. It's unpredictable. One video can do well, and the next one might completely flop. So yes, it works, but it's not stable. By this point, I had tested 4 different side hustles. Some had potential, some made a little money, but none of them felt truly reliable. The 5th one was different. Instead of chasing views or waiting for sales, this one focused on something simple, solving a real problem for real people. And that changed everything, because instead of hoping for results, I started getting paid directly. Real work, real value, real money. This one didn't just show potential, it actually delivered. So after testing all 5 side hustles, here's the honest breakdown. Some of them had potential, some made a little money, but only one of them actually felt reliable. The difference? It wasn't about chasing trends. It was about solving real problems. That's the biggest lesson I learned from this entire experiment. Making money online isn't about doing everything. It's about doing the right thing, consistently. The more value you create, the more opportunities come back to you. And if you're just starting out, don't expect instant results. Every single method takes time, effort, and patience. But once something clicks, it can completely change your direction. So instead of jumping from one idea to another, pick one, test it properly, and give it enough time to grow. Because the people who win aren't the ones who try everything. They're the ones who stick with what works. If you found this experiment helpful, make sure to hit like. It really helps the video reach more people. And subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to keep testing real ways to make money with honest results, no hype. I'll see you in the next one.